Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete every video on TikTok. So let's get right into it. First of all, we have to go on TikTok. Then we have to go on profile. And here we have to hit on this button which is top right corner of the screen. Here we will go with settings and privacy. Then you have to scroll down and hit on report. Hit on how to report. Here we have to go with other. And then we will hit on no. And now we have to go with need more help. Write your brief over here. I've write my brief very shortly. You can write your brief clearly and in detail. And now I'm going to send it. Once you will send, then in just 24 hours, TikTok will delete all your videos automatically. So guys, this is how to delete every video on TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.